Yo guys, if you seen the thumbnail and you read the title, you are in the right spot. You heard it correctly. We might be seeing the shock drop exclusive access for the Air Jordan 1 Low Black Toe very shortly. Let's go ahead and talk about it, man. Again, man, what is going on, everybody? If you are new to the channel right now, what I need you guys to do is go ahead, hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell for your boys so you don't miss out on any content that we ever drop on the channel. You're gonna see a lot of videos of me talking about shock drops, exclusive access, restocks, all that good stuff to help you guys out, especially getting these pairs for retail. Who likes paying resale on anything? I know I don't. I always try to spread the wealth, spread the knowledge about, you know, certain things that are happening in the sneaker community, especially, like I said, shock drops, restocks, and exclusive access. So like I said, go ahead and sub up right now to the channel. Hit the notification bell for your boys to miss out on any content. Please give a huge like on today's video, especially if you like updates like this where we're talking about, you know, what's pretty much going on in the sneaker community, man. So before we even get into the Air Jordan 1 Low Black Toes, a couple of days ago, about a week now, we got an exclusive access for a shoe that we probably did not expect an exclusive access for, because nobody's really talking about these. The energy, you know, really went all cracked up, you know, high for these UNC Chicago Air Jordan 1 Lows. But we got an EA, like out of nowhere. We got exclusive access, shock drop, whatever you do want to call it. I like to call it, you know, a shock drop when nobody knows about it, and a lot of people did not even know that these drop via exclusive access. Like, nobody was talking about it. You know, you usually hear stuff from, like, you know, J23. I know I really follow Sneaker Leaker, but nobody's really talking about this exclusive access because it's not a hot commodity. Nobody really talking about them, but we did definitely get an exclusive access for these UNC to Chicago, and these do happen to release tomorrow. I'll be doing an entire review on feet. I'm actually gonna start recording it tonight, you know what I'm saying, get you guys right, especially if you do want them. This is a women's exclusive. I do not think they did extend the sizes on these joints, if I'm not mistaken, but for everybody that can, you know, fit a pair, that actually want to see them on feet, it's coming very soon near you, man. And then leading all the way to the Air Jordan 1 Black Toes. If you don't remember, these got pushed back, like, they got pushed back so many times. I don't even remember the original release date. Now it is August the 4th. And you know, everybody's talking about now an exclusive access or shock drop happening for the Black Toe 1 Lows. This is definitely one of them ones. Like, this is definitely one of them sneakers people are eyeing, people are trying to go out and obtain. And I definitely think, you know, a shock drop or that EA will be, you know, will suffice, you feel me? It might be better if we get a shock drop rather than exclusive access, because, you know, exclusive access, you really can't tell, you know what I'm saying, how fair it is. But a shock drop, you know, at least everybody out there that got the notification for it, you know, is hit and know what's about to happen. And if they're doing any shock drops like they've been doing, especially like the Air Jordan 1 UNC toes, like, they put out a 10-minute, like, you know, window of a shock drop. So it's like not even a shock drop anymore, you know what I'm saying, they're just dropping it at an earlier release date. So, you know, they might do the same thing for these Black Toe Air Jordan 1 Lows. Like, definitely a super crazy sneaker. Almost dropped the entire box. I'm glad I caught it. But, you know what I'm saying, the leather quality is super nice, the hits super nice, you know what I'm saying, give you that, you know, black toe vibe. The only thing that's different with these is that it has a black tongue instead of a white one. Hopefully we get them OG black toes, you know, sometime soon. Hopefully next year. They always tend to drop like a low before they drop the high, or vice versa. So we shall see what happens, man. So I've had, like, you know, an exact time, an exact date. Put this box to the side real quick for that exclusive access or the shock drop. But given that the release date is August the 4th, which is in about a week and a half, or is that a week? I think it's 1 week away. We might be seeing it towards the end of this week or early next week for that EA or that shock drop, you know what I'm saying? So you guys always, you know, check out the comments. I'm always pin a comment, let you guys know if more information did come out. So it's just like, you know, a pre-warn and a prelude to, you know, actually us getting that time, that date, and we might not get it. They might just hit us with a random, you know, 10-minute window shock drop like Nike has been doing. So you just never know. So I always tell you guys, follow my Twitter, bro. Twitter is super important, especially if you do want to hit on, you know, shock drops, restocks, and all that good stuff. I retweeted instantly, just like today. The Air Jordan 1 UNC toes dropped on Shoe Pals, I believe. Shoe Pals or Jimmy Jazz. It was a large stock. Nobody expected to happen. But I retweeted, you know what I'm saying, try to help a couple people out if I could. But like I said, I try to do that as much as possible as far as sneakers. you know, restock, exclusive access, and who don't want a clean pair of Air Jordan 1 black toes, man? And another thing that I was thinking, I was like, bro, why wouldn't they do an exclusive access or a shock drop for black toes? They did it for the, you know, UNC Chicago's, which nobody really wanted. They gotta do it for the black toe lows. Like I said, you guys stay tuned, stick around for all the info while following my Twitter, and of course be subscribed and have the notification bell hit over here so you guys know exactly when it does happen. I know I've been holding off on this reviewing on feet for I done had these for a couple weeks now, so I have not done a review on feet, but I promise y'all I'm going to drop it sometime this week, you feel me? Sometime this week, I'm gonna drop this review on feet. Gotta get the UNT Chicago's out first because they do drop tomorrow. So I'm gonna give y'all that to watch tomorrow, seeing how y'all liking them, seeing if you do fit in the sizes. You might, you know, pull the trigger on them bad boys. But I know what you got for UNC toes. We got the black toe lows coming up. And probably, you know, a lot of people ain't feeling the UNC Chicago. So that's fair. That's super fair, I get it. But for me, I just snagged them just because I already got the hot top version. I was like, why not get the lows, man? So yeah, guys, stay tuned for that EA or shock. I'm pretty sure they're gonna do like a shock drop, the little 10-minute window thing that they have been doing, like the UNC Toe Air Jordan 1s. We might see that 10-minute window shock drop for these joints as well, but I can't wait for it to happen. You guys let me know down below in the comment section right now if we'll be trying to secure a pair of black toe lows, especially if you guys are going back to school. This is probably the best school sneaker to start off the year. It goes with a lot of different things, super subtle. It's not as, you know, crazy as the UNC toes. These right here would definitely be my beaters every day if I could afford a pair of these joints when I was going to school back in the day, man. So you guys let me know down below in the comment section. Very interested in knowing. And if you know the date already, you work for Nike and you watching this, go ahead and let us know down below in the comment section. You guys know I respond to every single comment as much as I can. I'll put it like that because when we drop the UNC toe release recap, the comments went crazy, but I'm still trying to respond to every single comment because I do appreciate you guys, you know, taking your time out of your day and talking to your boy Adventure down below in the comment section, man. So I appreciate all the support, man. Thank you guys for tapping in. Go ahead and subscribe to the channel if you're new. Hit the notification bell for your boys so you miss out on any content that we do drop, and leave a huge like on today's video, man. We're trying to get every video up to 500 likes, and I would greatly appreciate that, man. So again, appreciate all the support. Thank you guys for tapping in. Stay tuned for that EA over the black toe lows, and I'm gonna catch you guys in the next video, man. Peace.